my channel. So today we're going to be trying bean cake, but with the bean peel. So some people take away the bean peel and then just eat it without the bean skin. But no, today we're going to try it with the bean skin because it's healthy for you and it's also gonna taste good as well. It's not gonna interfere with the taste. It's gonna taste the same, and it's gonna taste really good too. And search it up. It's also healthy for you. So today we're trying the bean cake with the bean skin. And you know what? You have to throw out the healthiest part of the bean in the trash. You can just taste it with the bean cake, and we're gonna taste it today. And I'm gonna see how it tastes. Okay, so we're gonna be using some beans and some onions and pepper. This pepper is really hot, so don't use too much. But we're going to try an experiment with the beans because we always used to peel the beans, but we're just trying an experiment, so we're not gonna peel the beans this time. And we already added some onions, so let's start it. Add some salt to it to make it tasty or savory. Savory or tasty. Add some salt to it to make it tasty. And now you mix it. You put some oil on your pan, and when it's really hot, you fry it, and that's how you make the bean cake. It doesn't even look like the beans were peeled. It doesn't even look like the beans weren't peeled. It still looks like the same as the other one. And the bean skin is also good for you. You can search it up. You can Google it. It's gonna say that it's good for you. So don't peel away what's good for you. And then, so the point of this video is to show that it's okay to not peel the beans because it looks the exact same and it's also good for you. And the taste, you're gonna see when we taste it. It's gonna taste okay. It's gonna taste good. So from now on, From now on, I'm encouraging you to start not peeling your beans because not peeling your beans is the exact same as peeling your beans. But it's also good for you. So from now on, take this video as a lesson to start not peeling your beans. Now it's time to fry it. We already have our oil on our stove, so now it's time to fry it. Okay, so now it's frying on the pan. You can see that it's forming into bean cakes, and it looks like it's forming into bean cakes slowly because it's shifting away from each other and making something. And after with Gary on. So now we're about to flip the bean cake so this side doesn't burn. And just so you know, for your information, bean cake goes well with like gari, bread, and tell me what you take bean cake with in the comments, so maybe one day we can try it. So now we're flipping the bean cake. And bean cakes also go well with pap. And for that pap, I'm going to make a video about it one day, so stay tuned. So now we're flipping the bean cakes over so the other side can cook in the pan, and it's looking good so far. Okay, so now the bean patties are done, and some people like want it so dry, but some people want it so wet, but we want it like a medium. And this looks like a medium because I don't want it so dry, but I also don't want it so wet. So now we're gonna put it in this paper towel. It's to soak up the oil. I accidentally called the bean pat.
Bean cake.
So now we're putting the bean cake in the paper towel so that it soaks up all the oil, and when it soaks up all the oil, we're gonna start eating it. And I think it's gonna be really yummy. I know it's gonna be really yummy actually. So now we're ready to eat. And anyways, does this bean cake look different to you? Does it look different? No, it looks the exact same. So it looks the exact same, and you don't have to spend all your time and you don't have to waste all your time just like peeling the skin out of the bean cake, since you can just make it with the bean skin. So let's try it. It tastes the exact same. It tastes the exact same as the bean cake without the peel. But it's just the skin is making it healthier. So you can just make it healthier by keeping the bean skin inside. And plus, you don't have to waste all of your time like taking off the bean skin from the beans and then like throwing it out and then you just make it again, because you can just do it with the bean skin, and it's not going to make any difference, except it's going to make it healthier. You can also search it up. You can search it up on like Google. It's going to say that it's healthier with the bean skin. And guess what this is? This is actually pap. But we're going to show how to make it in another video. So this isn't for the video today. I'm just showing you this bean cake with the skin. The skin is also really healthy. Remember I said this bean cake goes with like anything, pap, bread, gari, anything you choose. But today I'm gonna choose to make it with pap. So that's why you see that on the other side of my plate. But we're not focusing on that today. We're focusing on the bean cake, which is actually really good. It's so good. And by the way, if I haven't mentioned anything that you eat bean cake with yet, you can add it in the comments and say like what you eat bean cake with, and maybe I'll try it. I'll try it one day, and I know it's gonna be really good. So today I was just showing you that you can heat the beans the bean skin inside the bean cake since it's also healthier and it's really good. And anyways, thank you for watching my video, and remember to subscribe to my channel, hit notifications, like my video, and share my video so more people can see it. Bye guys!